This is a demo of the new SeeClickFix iPhone app released in January 2011. SeeClickFix is a free mobile application and web application that allows citizens to report non-emergency issues in the public space to officials and others that can fix them. To get started with SeeClickFix, all you do is open the app and click Start Report. Your GPS from your phone is going to grab your location. A new feature of the app is that you can locate issues outside of where your GPS is detecting you. We make this easy by dragging the map underneath the crosshairs and then quickly giving you an address of the location where your new issue will be reported. Once you've located yourself in the issue, you can take a photo either from the camera or a new feature, you can take a photo from the gallery. This makes it easy to take a photo and then come back later on and add it to an existing report. You can quickly add a summary to the issue like graffiti or pothole or streetlight, or other if the issue is not categorized. And then a quick description of the issue with additional information that will make it helpful for the individual responsible to fix it. Click Submit and the issue is sent off in seconds. Once your issue is reported, you can see it documented publicly on the application and the SeeClickFix web app, and anywhere else SeeClickFix data is displayed. Emails are sent immediately by watch areas to those accountable, such as your public works director or maybe your neighborhood cleanup group. It's that easy to report an issue on SeeClickFix. All issues on SeeClickFix get reported as open when they're first reported. When an issue's been fixed, you can go back into the application and close it. One of the neat features of the new app is that you can take out the phone, find issues nearby, and then filter them by keywords such as pothole. In this case, the user is standing in front of a patch pothole and is searching on the map for the pothole he sees has been resolved. When he scrolls to the bottom of the issue page, he sees a button that says Close Issue. He can take a photo of that issue, or the resolved issue in this case, attach it, and change the issue status to closed, with a little message that says maybe thank you or just notes that the issue's been resolved. The user hits submit and the status has been updated. The original user gets an email that says congratulations, your issue's been resolved. SeeClickFix is a social platform that's designed to connect neighbors to each other around common concerns. With that in mind, we've built in social features that help you share issues and let other neighbors know what your concerns are. We believe that by connecting each other, we can make stronger communities and resolve things quicker and more efficiently in our neighborhoods. The voting feature on SeeClickFix is a good example of this. Vote up your neighbors' issues, or encourage your neighbors to vote up your issues, to let people know that you care about what they're concerned about, and to let government know what's really a priority in your neighborhood. Maybe you see an issue that doesn't have a photo yet. You can add a photo with a comment to the existing issue, or of course change the status if the issue is resolved. And you can also see all the neighbors that are reporting in your community. You can see community groups that are reporting collectively. And on SeeClickFix, we track the number of civic points that you're earning based on the issues reported, the issues you've closed or voted for. It's a fun way to track what you're doing and how much of an impact you're making in your community using the web platform. We've seen a lot of competition between bike advocates and governments and average citizens with each other, just having fun speaking up about the things they want resolved in their community. One thing we heard from users when we built our first app is they wanted a way to be able to create issues when they didn't have service, or be able to create issues and save them and then report them later. So say you're in a subway station on the new app and you have no service. You just open the app and it asks for an address. You can start the report with just text field address, city and state. Maybe you're going to take the photo of the issue at this point, and maybe you'll add the summary and description now, but maybe you'll add it later. Maybe you'll just take the photo and save it to your camera and attach it later on from the gallery as well. Either way, you can save the issue as a draft and it will be stored in My Reports on the application. Then, when you're above ground or back in service, you can go back to your reports, and under draft you'll see the issue you started to report. From there you can fill out the rest of the report. In this case you'll be filling out the summary and the description. And then verifying the address now that you have GPS service. The upgrade of the new app means lots of new features for our government clients as well. In Washington, D.C., one of our paying clients, you'll see when you open the app, there's a fancy new splash screen showing the city's logo. When reporting in D.C., you're actually connecting directly to the city's 311 center. When an issue is created on SeeClickFix, a service request is posted into the Motorola City Work Order System. Citizens can go about using SeeClickFix as they usually do, and governments can go about using the Motorola Work Order System as they usually do. Adding a photo and everything else that you can do on SeeClickFix communicates with the work order system. One of the unique differences is that the service requests that are selected are actually the exact service requests that are inside the work order system. The city can provide additional information, such as when the bulk trash pickup day is, if it's citizens reporting a bulk trash issue. There's additional service requests or secondary questions that can be added to each individual issue. Those are being pulled out of the system as well. It makes it quick and easy for citizens to communicate with local government. We have a number of cities on board with this system that are either managing SeeClickFix issues through our work order and tracking system or through their own. The city of New Haven, as an example, uses SeeClickFix as the primary civic reporting tool. We're connected into the CityWorks work order system in New Haven. CityWorks is available in hundreds of other cities. Tucson, Arizona and Corona, California are both cities that are using SeeClickFix dashboard to track and acknowledge their issues. In Corona, California, they give out civic points for give out Starbucks cards for users that get a lot of civic points on the application. We're excited about Open 311, implemented in San Francisco and DC, because it allows us to easily connect through a web standard to these cities. In San Francisco, you'll see a different set of service requests when you report to city government. We really believe that the civic web space is taking off, and we're excited to be a part of it. Civic apps are growing everywhere, and SeeClickFix is the primary used one in the country and growing around the world. Please check out SeeClickFix and download the app. Thanks.